Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of downloading Age of Empires 2. Before we dive in, make sure to check out the link to some amazing software right below this video. Let's get started. There are two main ways you can download Age of Empires 2, and one of those methods is through the Microsoft Store. To begin, open the Microsoft Store app by searching for it on your computer. Once you have the store open, simply go to the search bar at the top and type in Age of Empires 2. You should be able to find Age of Empires 2 Definitive Edition there. Now you have a couple of options. One is to play the game through Xbox Game Pass. This is a subscription service that lets you access a large variety of games for a monthly fee. Alternatively, you can choose to buy the game outright. Age of Empires 2 Definitive Edition costs around 9,925 Philippine pesos, which is roughly 18 United States dollars. So whether you prefer to try it with Game Pass or purchase the game directly, both options are available to you.